I wish you that you bring out the best in you in 2019. And the mantra is detox and nourish. Do 3 to 5 days of vegetables and mung soup fasting every month, and this will detox toxins regularly. Nourish yourself on a daily basis by taking the fresh juice of carrot, beetroot, pomegranate, and fresh turmeric. This will enhance energy and immune system. Emotionally and mentally, flush out negativity and create inner joy and peace of mind, blissful thinking just by doing pranayam, anulom vilom regularly, prayers with 100% faith in your God, and do this humming sound with a slow release like this. Hum. Every day will help you release fear and create inner joy.